Hey, how's it going? Well, I got a crazy test for us today. When I was looking into experimenting with battery power or a dead rail on my HO layout, I was talking with Neil Stanton at SCAB, and he said, you should probably maybe get an hour's worth of runtime off this tiny little battery when I told him what I wanted to use it for. And I thought to myself, there's just no way. Look at this thing. Tiny little battery. It's 3.7 volts. That's not enough voltage to run these little HO DCC locomotives. So what his system does is it has a power supply that steps up that 3.7 to what will actually run the electric motor and the lights and things like that and fire up the decoder. So I thought, well, with the inefficiencies of step-up voltages like that, there's just no way. So, let's give it a test. Let's see what happens. So I have a circle of track set up on the kitchen table here, and we're going to run this little guy with a typical standard consist on my layout, and we'll get him started, and we won't let him stop, and I'll run my watch, and we can see what kind of a life we get out of this tiny 3.7 battery without being recharged, continuously running not only the step-up power supply, but the controller and the motor. Are you ready? Let's give it a go. Well, this is going to be a challenging test because this will be an unpowered, continuous 18-inch radius turn. So let's see what happens. It's 5 minutes to 3. Okay, over 20 minutes. Well, here we are at a half an hour and it's still going. I added one more notch of throttle about 5 or 6 minutes ago. "40 minutes and still running." All right, it's 3:45. That's 50 minutes of runtime. Let me see. I'll slow it down here and stop it. Let me see now if I can still give it some direction. If we'll back up here. And forward. Well, I have to say that way exceeds my expectation. All right, here we are. It's 5 minutes to 4. We've been going for an hour, continuously. Let me see if we've got a little control even left here. Let's stop it and run backwards here a little bit. Well, that is truly amazing. Well, I don't know about you, but I was amazed at that test. So here's the little battery, and here's a stick of gum. And after an hour of continuous running with an average size train on my layout around a tight 18-inch radius curve, I still had control over the locomotive. That is amazing. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'll see you next time.